Inside the checkout post method, we want to make sure that coupon is still valid. So if the card DTO is not null, we will check if the coupon code is not empty. So we'll say not string.isNull or empty. If the checkout header.coupon code is not null, only then we want to make sure that the coupon value is changed or not. So we will call our coupon repository right here. We need to add that to our dependency injection first. So let me do that. Perfect. Once we add that to our dependency injection, we will be calling here. We will say await and underscore coupon repository dot get coupon. We need to pass the coupon code. So that is inside checkout header dot coupon code. After that, we will check here if the checkout header dot discount total is not equal to coupon dot discount amount. If that is equal, that means that the coupon is still valid and the discount is still valid. So if they are different, that means that something has been changed with the coupon. In that case, what we want to do is we want to set the response.isSuccess to be false because something is changed, and we want to set a custom message. So error message is equal to new list of string, and we will display an alert saying coupon has changed, please confirm. I will set it to same for response.display message as well. After that, we don't want to proceed further. We will just return back our response. Perfect. So this logic looks good. Now let's test this in the next video.